10 traditional British foods that refuse to disappear. You can modernise the menus. You can import flavours from every corner of the world. You can swap pubs for pop-ups and Sunday roasts for street food. They outlive trends, ignore food fads, and keep turning up on British plates year after year. Today we're counting down 10 traditional British foods that refuse to disappear, ranked strictly from 10 to 1, and number 1 still rules the nation. No long lectures, no museum nostalgia, just the stubborn classics that continue to survive across the UK. Let's begin at number 10. 10. Lancashire Hotpot. This dish doesn't shout, it simmers with quiet confidence. Lancashire Hotpot is built on patience. Traditionally made with lamb or mutton, onions and sliced potatoes layered neatly on top, it spends hours in the oven until the meat softens and the top turns golden and crisp. When served, the potatoes form a slightly crunchy lid that gives way to tender meat underneath, bathed in rich, savoury gravy. It emerged during the Industrial Revolution in northern England, when working families needed something filling that could cook slowly while they were away. That practicality is part of why it survived. It was affordable, it was simple, it worked. In a country where global cuisines dominate city centres, this traditional British food continues to anchor regional identity. It may not trend online, but it endures on real plates. And if this quiet survivor feels sturdy, the next dish carries far more attitude. 9. Steak and kidney pie. This one doesn't compromise. Steak and kidney pie is bold, rich and unapologetically traditional. Chunks of beef combined with diced kidney are slow-cooked in thick gravy before being sealed under pastry. Crack through the crust and steam escapes in a rush of unmistakable aroma. For some, kidney is divisive. The flavour is strong, the texture is distinctive. Yet despite changing tastes and lighter dining habits, this pie remains stocked in supermarkets, served in pubs, and sold at sporting events across Britain. It represents a type of cooking that values fullness over finesse. There's no subtle plating. It's hearty, it's filling, it sticks to your ribs. And if that feels robust, breakfast is about to get darker. 8. Black pudding. Few foods spark curiosity quite like this one. Black pudding, a blood sausage traditionally made from pig's blood, oats and spices, has deep roots in British culinary history. It's especially associated with places like Lancashire and parts of Scotland, where it remains part of regional identity. Slice it thick, fry it until crisp at the edges, and it develops a deep, peppery richness that pairs naturally with eggs and bacon. On a full English breakfast plate, it sits there unapologetically. Dark, dense, unmistakable. This traditional British food has endured because it delivers flavour and history in one bite. It may raise eyebrows, but it also commands loyalty. And speaking of breakfast, the next dish once ruled morning tables in a very different way. 7. Kedgeree. This one tells a story without losing its place. Kedgeree blends flaked smoked haddock, rice, boiled eggs, parsley and mild curry spices into a dish that feels both comforting and layered. Adapted from Indian khichdi during the colonial era, it became fashionable in Victorian Britain as a breakfast meal. While it's no longer an everyday staple, kedgeree still appears in brunch menus, country house hotels, and traditional cookbooks. Its survival comes from reinvention. It shifted from breakfast to brunch, from routine to speciality. The contrast of smoky fish, soft egg yolk, and lightly spiced rice creates a balance that remains appealing today. It doesn't taste outdated. It tastes substantial. In a country that absorbs global influences, kedgeree stands as proof that adaptation can ensure longevity. And if that blend feels worldly, the next entry is rooted firmly in one city's streets. 6. Jellied eels. This is London history on a plate. Jellied eels emerged in the East End during the 18th and 19th centuries, when eels were plentiful in the River Thames. Chopped into pieces and set in natural gelatin, they became affordable street food for working communities. Today, jellied eels are no longer mainstream across the UK, but they still survive in traditional pie and mash shops, particularly in parts of London. These establishments, often with tiled interiors and wooden counters, continue serving the dish to loyal customers. The texture is slippery, the flavour is subtle and briny. It's not universally loved, but its presence remains a symbol of local heritage. And right beside it, in those same shops, sits something equally resilient. 5. Pie and mash with liquor. This isn't alcohol, it's tradition. Pie and mash with liquor refers to minced beef pies served with mashed potatoes and topped with a bright green parsley sauce. The liquor is a herb-infused gravy, not a drink. Born in 19th century London, pie and mash shops became community staples. Even today, several long-standing establishments continue serving this meal exactly as they have for generations. The experience is part of its survival. Order at the counter. Watch your plate slide across the surface. Sit among regulars who have been coming for decades. In a fast-moving culinary landscape, this traditional British food remains rooted in place and routine. It hasn't needed reinvention. It thrives through familiarity. But now we reach a dish that stretches far beyond one city. 4. Full English breakfast. Few meals are as recognizable worldwide. The full English breakfast, typically including sausages, back bacon, eggs, baked beans, grilled tomatoes, mushrooms, toast, and often black pudding, remains a staple across the UK. It's served in cafes, hotels, and homes. It appears on motorway service menus and seaside guest houses alike. Despite changing morning habits and lighter breakfast trends, this hearty plate continues to dominate weekend mornings. Its survival is tied to ritual. It's not just food, it's a weekend tradition, a recovery meal, a holiday indulgence. Yet even this heavyweight isn't the strongest example on our list. 3. Cornish pasty. This one carries official protection. The Cornish pasty, traditionally filled with beef, potato, swede, and onion, holds protected geographical indication status. That means only pasties made in Cornwall following traditional methods can officially carry the name. Originally designed as a portable lunch for miners, its crimped edge allowed workers to hold it without contaminating the filling. That practicality remains part of its appeal today. Walk through train stations, high streets, or small bakeries, and you'll still see them lined up behind glass counters. Thick pastry shell, steaming filling, handheld convenience. This traditional British food thrives because it combines heritage with everyday utility. But the final two entries are in a different league. 2. Spotted dick. The name sparks curiosity. The pudding survives regardless. Spotted dick is a steamed, sweet dessert dotted with dried currants, traditionally served with warm custard. It dates back to at least the 19th century and remains part of British dessert culture. It appears on pub menus, in school dinner memories, and even in supermarket ready meal sections. Soft, dense, slightly sweet, it's comfort food in its purest form. Modern desserts may lean toward delicate plating or international inspiration, but this traditional British pudding keeps showing up. Its endurance lies in familiarity. For many, it tastes like childhood. For others, it simply tastes good. And now, the dish that defines British cuisine worldwide. 1. Fish and chips. Nothing has come close to replacing it. Fish and chips emerged in the 19th century and quickly became Britain's favourite takeaway meal. Fresh cod or haddock coated in crisp batter, deep-fried until golden, served with thick-cut chips, often wrapped in paper. Even today, thousands of fish and chip shops operate across the UK. From seaside towns to urban neighbourhoods, the chippy remains part of everyday life. The crackle of batter, the splash of vinegar, the steam rising into cool coastal air. It's simple, satisfying, and deeply embedded in British identity. Global chains may dominate high streets. Delivery apps may change ordering habits, but fish and chips continues to thrive. It isn't just surviving, it's leading. Some foods fade quietly into history, but these 10 endure because they're woven into routines, regions, and rituals across the UK. If this look at 10 traditional British foods that refuse to disappear surprised you, there's more to explore. From forgotten regional dishes to modern revivals quietly reshaping British cuisine. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.